winter is coming. So it's not really winter yet, but it's like this. Where we can see a little bit of snow, and there will be more snow and a little bit windy. And this is my space where I'm working in the corner. It's my office, home office. And there I sit and contribute to different things all over the world using my competence in advanced materials, manufacturing, research to industry. From my experiences in silicon carbide, graphene on silicon carbide, supporting startups and researchers who want to make startups. So this is a fantastic opportunity in Sweden to be at this location, having a walk and thinking about the things, and then support in various ways. And of course, the right way to do this is by partnerships. And this is my little puppy. And this is my place.